Rock cycle.
There are different types of minerals.
Rock cycle.
They will form 3 different types of rocks.
Rock cycle.
Sediment will go through deposition, cementation, compaction.
Rock cycle.
Then it goes to sedimentary rock.
Rock cycle.
Geologists say it goes through heat and pressure.
Rock cycle.
Next we land at metamorphic rock.
Rock cycle.
Melt and turn into magma.
Rock cycle.
Cool and crystallize.
Rock cycle.
Now we are at igneous rock.
Rock cycle.
The process next is weathering and erosion.
Rock cycle.
The process repeats for many years to come.
Rock cycle. Rock cycle.